Today we're looking at the 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. Under the hood, you have a 5.3 liter V8 with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we have our jet black interior with our leather heated seats on both sides. At the bottom, you'll find our power controls, as well as our leather steering wheel. Making our way over, we do have our 8-inch touchscreen display with built-in navigation as well as Bluetooth. You'll find our audio controls down here, as well as our climate controls here at the bottom. Making our way further down, we do have 2 USB outlets, as well as an AC outlet and 2 cigarette outlets at the bottom. We also have many storage in here in these cubbies, as well as 2 cup holders, a wireless charge pad up top. When we open up the console, we have a plethora amount of space here, as well as 2 USB charge ports. Moving alongside our driver's side door here, we do have our automatic power windows, as well as our power locks and our adjustable side mirrors. Up here, you'll find our trailer brake controls, as well as our drive modes, and of course our auto headlights. Making our way to the steering wheel here, we do have our voice recognition, as well as our cruise control settings. Up here, you'll find our shifter. And of course, when reversing, this vehicle is equipped with a rear view camera. And we also have our heated seat controls here in the middle dash. And taking a look here at the back, we still have our leather interior with our cup holder in the middle. Of course, we have 2 cubbies behind each seat here. Some extra storage here in the middle console. And of course, we have our slidable back rear window. And of course, finishing off the interior here, we do have our Bose speaker systems around the whole vehicle from front to back. Checking out the exterior here on the Silverado, we do have our black Chevy bow tie badge in the middle with our black grille, as well as our black tow hooks, our HID headlights. Moving on to the tires, we have our 20-inch rims on our all-terrain tires, our adjustable side mirrors. We have running boards here at the bottom. Making our way all the way to the back, we do have the Z71 Off Road Package equipped, as well as our black tonneau cover, another black Chevy bow tie badge at the back, our spare tire here at the bottom. We do have small rear corner steps as well. And of course, opening up the back, we have plenty of storage here in the back. And that is our 2018 Chevrolet Silverado. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help you with any questions you may have.